Hey guys, Jom here. Welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Today guys, we are playing the parkour map again, as you see on my title of my video. Well, yeah, so hope you guys did enjoy it. Right about now, I am in adventure mode, so I cannot break blocks, anything like that. See that? But I can move blocks. So yeah. Make it sunny. I'm gonna make it sunny. Changing the weather. Okay, there we go. Make it rain. Oh gosh, darn it. Come on, man. Okay, there we go. And now, day. I need to be day. And no, I don't want a night. This is the parkour, and yeah, easy. This thing, hard, and then we have this about of the map and the medium. But first, I will show you guys this reset practice. Let's just go for practice again. Okay, there we go. There we go. Easy parkour right here. I don't need a ladder right there. Okay, there we go. Good job. That was wait a sec. What the heck? Practice. Go back. Okay. Let's just go back. Let's go for about the map because okay, made by Danica Pinto, yeah. Okay. English, yeah. Wait a second. Okay. This is awesome. Tagalog, English, Tagalog, English. Oh, we got Tagalog. Balik. Go back. Musta. Nga pala dahil what the heck, man? It's Tagalog. I know I'm a Filipino. But, yeah. Okay. I will read first the Tagalog. Kumusta nga pala dahil dinaload nyo ang aking map. Kung gusto nyo po akong i-follow, tignan nyo na lang po sa English na sign. Thanks. Okay, guys, that's Filipino. I really know about Filipinos because I'm a Filipino. And wait. Hello, guys. Thanks for downloading my map. I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, that's his Instagram. And then the Facebook, which is the Facebook. And Danica Pinto. Yeah, he's a pintuan. Wow! Okay, this is the go back and this is the balik. Let's just go back. What the heck? They got Tagalog version too. Now what? Let's just get started this thing. Easy? Easy? Not easy! Okay, let's try again. My back is really itchy, that's why I can't parkour. Gosh darn it. Okay, there you go. And the oh, what the heck, man? Oh. Well, I just tried to fall off. Okay, now let's get right here, right here, right here, and 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 right here. No. Why the easy is getting fudging harder? Gosh darn it! Chikidini. Okay, you know what? Let's just get right here. I'm done. Checkpoint. Oh. Daytime. You must sleep, so if you died, you will spawn here. There's no bed. Spawn bed. Oh, we got white bed. Yeah. No. Yeah, I can't play box. Gosh darn it.
No, join.
Wait lang.
No Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi me. I hate.
Okay, there you go. I will just sleep. Go down.
Oh.
The Wi-Fi is up. You're just gonna hack, man. You're just gonna hack.
Cannot hack.
Go die. Okay, now
You
let's...
know, bawal.
Yeah, it's forbidden. Congratulations! Ah, you see, I'm a pro. Your points. Oh, yeah, it's my points. Give me those points, man. Give me those points. Splash it out on my face and then go right here. Okay. Okay. Not freeze a little bit. My game. Just go to the medium part. Oh! Oh! Ow! Just kidding. Gonna do this to me, huh? We don't care of fudge! I just freaking...
It's my one.
Yeah, that was so close, man. That was freaking close. You know what? Checkpoint. You must leave. Yeah, whatever you call that. Wait, what? What? What the heck? No! Oh! Just kidding. You know what? Let's just go right here. Right here. Help me, sucker! You know what? This sucks so bad. Gosh darn it. Skip right there. We can't even freaking fudging. Why am I spawning in random places? What the heck? Go back. Ah, gosh darn it. No. Go to medium. Okay, we're gonna do it again. And this. I can do it. Ah, my back is itchy. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, we don't fell off. Yeah, take that. Wanna go back? Press this. No. Bed, give me those bed. Day. No, night. I mean night. God. No, I don't wanna kill myself. Gosh. You know what? Let's just go to peaceful, guys. Okay, peaceful. Let's just sleep. Ah, what the heck? I am in peaceful mode. It doesn't make any sense. What the heck? They're still spawning. You know what? Let's slash kill. 5 squashes, man. Yeah, go die. Oh! Okay. Sleep. Till we glip. Slash game over. There we go. Nice and done. And now we're going right here, which is we're going to follow because we need to spawn point right there. I don't need to do that jump. And there's our ghost. Okay, you know what? I will do? Jump. Brother, God! It's getting hot right here. My back is really itchy.
Alam mo to?
Yeah.
Ito?
Oh, fudge. Okay, you know what? Fudge!
Dito na lang.
Nini. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. I saw that. I'm not blind, mate. By the way, guys, this is the hacker. What I'm talking about. This guy right here next to my seat. Go jump. 360. Checkpoint. Oh. Wait, there's no checkpoint. Gosh darn it. Slash time. You know what? Get the beard. There. Okay, let's go sleep. Then now let's go again and again. See this? Again and again. Oh my fucking god! You know what? Gosh darn it! Make the fudging out! Come on, man. Okay, jump right here. Gosh! Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness! Okay, you know what? I do? Oh my fudging god. You know what? You know what? You know what? Jump! Fudging gosh! Yeah, I know. Not a idiot like you. Freaking baby. Lagging! Oh! Baby! Oh! Oh! Okay, let's get the prize. We got diamonds. We need unlimited diamonds, bro. Unlimited. I said unlimited. Whatever you call that. Points. Let's get those points. Yeah. Yeah, go there. Go there. Give me the points. Give me the freaking points. No, I don't like that points. Go burn the lava. This is not my points. Just kidding. I got no sense what I'm talking about. You know what? That's it there. And now we're going to the hard one. Okay. What's spinning? Oh my goodness. Know what this is? Get this hard level. Gimme. There will be no checkpoint in here. God! Know what? Yeah, we don't care if this checkpoint, whatever you call it. It's still easy parkour, man. Oh my god. I cannot make this jump. You know what? No! My points! You know what? This is it, guys. This is it. I'm getting... Ah!
Go, go.
You're noob, man.
Go, go, no, no, go, go, no, no.
No. God darn it! There is that. It's like a gun that is watch. Yeah, whatever you call it. Oh God! I'm getting itchy again, man. Man, whatever you call it. Man, anything, you're a gay man. You're not even giving up. What the heck? I just...
Uy, napaug na yan. Ay, naamoy ko na.
Gosh darn it. I don't wanna give up. Yeah, whatever you call it. Okay. Fudge salesman.
Uug
Fudge.
na daw siya.
Why did I click that giving up button? I don't wanna give up, man. Ladies. I don't care if you try to manage. Click it. You know what? Okay. Shortcut. Okay, let's go to the shortcut. Fudging level, gosh! Oh my word. You know what?
Abo? Ha? Abo?
Abo.
Abo?
What the heck? It's lagging, gosh. And my back is itchy again. Okay, wait a sec, guys. Okay, I'm ready. There we go. Just jump right here. Oh, we made it. We made it. God darn it. Jump. I will don't care. I will just put checkpoint right here. That's cheating. Why it's hard? Because of the checkpoints. There's no checkpoints. That's only the hard one. But this parkour is easy. I don't care if you got a long jump. But still easy to me to say. Even the hacker from the last game. Well, this thing. Is this guy copying the other map? Well, fudge you, man! You freaking hacker! This map, giving up? No. I will not click that button too. Yeah, whatever you call it. We don't care if your evoker thing. Ah! Oh! That the heck, man. Can you get me out of here?
sabi ng ano, pork, pork, pork.
Okay, I'm gonna do this again, right? You know what? I don't care.
Gusto daw niya ng pork, pork. Pork chop.
Porky! Oy, 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 bawi. Just kidding. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, you know what? I give up this kidding. Ho, yeah. Well, that lag. Nope. Nope. Guys, comment down below if you want a Disney Puktar back again because I never record Disney Puktar long ago when our cousin just go and he's now gone wild. He's just this mother. He's a freaking flipping beast. It's like John Cena. Just put spawn point right here. Okay. So guys, comment down below if you want the Disney Puktar back again. The episode. I will continue the episode 10, yeah? So yeah. Fudge up, man. Get off. Fudge. Baby. Oh my word. Wait a second. I will just finish this parkour and I'm done recording now. Just 3 levels, guys. Oh my word. This is getting harder than harder. Harder than harder. Harder than harder. Harder than Warwick! Freaking flipping. YOLO! YOLO! Yeah, take that! Congratulations! 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 Yeah! Take that, stupid map! Give me the prize! That's only the prize! That's not still out! You know what this is? Yeah. So, yeah. So, guys, hope you guys did all enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to slap that like button. And yeah, so guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment section down below, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out and bye. We'll see you all on the next video.